Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for choosing to watch my video today. So I want to show you how you can make I'm trying to revamp a soap basically. So I have these soaps. I've had them for over a year. That was before I started making my own natural soaps. So I just found them in my cupboard and I really don't know who to give this to, and I decided to recreate something new out of these soaps. So right here in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to change these soaps and recreate something. So I have with me my African black soap, America's Organic, and yeah, this is our African bar soaps. This is pure, this is natural, this is the raw black soap. Nothing has been added to it. So all I did was I cut out some pieces out of the African black soap. I cut out about 50 grams out of it, and also I'm going to be adding some shea butter. Okay, so this has been very well used, so I'm going to be adding some shea butter to this soap that I will be revamping. And also I'm going to be adding some oils, right? So these soaps, I really don't know how they are made and all, but I want to use them. I don't want to throw them away, but I have to ensure that I get in safe ingredients into the soap. So I will be adding my oils, America's castor oil and America's avocado oil, into the soaps. Okay, so another thing I'm going to be adding is a blend of my powders. I have with me some botanical powders that I've already pre-mixed. Okay, so I'm going to be listing out the names of these botanical powders on the screen so that you will be able to know what powders are in here. Of course, you can see that I have with me my turmeric powder. That's the orange color you can see there. Okay, so come with me as I go ahead and begin to make my soap revamp. All right, so first things first, I'm going to get me a clean bowl. All right, and I'm going to open my soaps and put my soaps in this bowl because I need to melt my soaps first, right? So here it is. All right, so for easy melting, I'm going to have to break this. It's really strong, so I'm going to have to get a knife and I'll try to break this and see how I can possibly melt them. Now you can use a microwave oven or you can use a crock pot. It has to be a double boiler. You don't put this directly on fire, so you can put a crock pot, fill it with water and put it on and allow this to melt gradually. It might take some time, but it will properly get melted. Okay, then I'm also going to be melting this black soap. I'm going to find a way to melt it. I may not melt it together with this because I think this might take a little longer to melt compared to this. I'm not sure. I have not melted these before, so I will melt them separately. But if you don't have a crock pot, no problem. Just get you a normal pot. Maybe don't use your cooking pot. Just a pot that you can separate for mixing things, right? And then you put water in the pot and then you put this bowl into the pot of water. Do not put it when the water has already boiled because you don't want the heat to act against this glass and cause it to crack, right? So you have to put it immediately you put the water and light on the cooker, right? So I'm going to get me a knife and shred this and then boil it on fire. Okay guys, so I am back and this is the mixture of the two soaps that I got to melt, and this is our black soap that I equally melted. So this is our oils. Okay, so I took 2 teaspoons of the avocado oil, America's avocado oil, and 2 teaspoons of America's castor oil, and I also took 1 teaspoon of shea butter. All right, so I'm going to be mixing all of these right now into my soap. So I have to work quickly because this can actually solidify in no time. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to be mixing the African black soap into this other soap. And after that, I'm going to be adding in our oils. Please, you want to make sure that the oils are heated up, okay? Because the soaps are already quite heated up. Okay, so one mistake I did was I didn't really let my oils to be really heated up. I just melted it. So the oils are more like at room temperature already. So quickly I'm going to be adding in our powders right now. Okay, so because it's already drying out, what I will need to do right now is I'm going to have to try to heat this up again so it could be quite melted, so it would be easy for me to just turn it into a soap mold. Okay, so I'll take this back to the heat so it can properly melt one last time. I'll be right back. Okay fam, so this is it, and I'm going to have to turn this right now into my soap molds fam. So come along and stick with me.